Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to discuss one coding question. Write a program to print whether the given year is leap year or not. How we can determine whether the given year is leap or not? So based on the three conditions, you can determine that. What is the case? What is the first case? Whether the number is divisible by 0. Sorry. Whether the number is divisible by 400, we can say that the given year is leap year. In second case, if the given year is divisible by 4, then also we say that the given year is leap year. So now we can take one example. Here I am taking 1600 as the given year and divided by 400 and I get the remainder 0. So the 1600 year is a leap year. Now we go to second case, divisible by 4. I am taking a number 100. 100 divided by 4, remainder is 0. But the 100 is not a leap year. That means when you are checking that the second condition, it is divisible by 4, then we can check another condition. The condition is it is not divisible by 100. It is not divisible by 100. Then only we say that the given year is leap year. That means the first condition is if it is divisible by 400, you are going to print the given year is leap year. If it is divisible by 4, then you can check another condition. What is the condition? Not it is the given year not divisible by 100. That's it. So now we can see all the cases. What is the first case? 100. 100 divisible by 400. False. Then you can check another condition. 100 divisible by 4. Yes, it is true. Then we go to check another condition and it is 100 divisible by 100. It is not equals to 0 remainder. If you are getting the 0 remainder, it is not leap number. In the way you can determine the given year is leap or not. Now we can see the first we can see the algorithm. 1. Read the year. Read the number into a variable year. In second, by default I am taking one flag. I am initializing this flag with false. The next step I am going to check whether the given year is leap or not. How? What is the condition? It is divisible by 400 equals to 0. The year percentage, that means it returns remainder, equals to 0, then you are directly change the flag into true. That means the given year is, if it is true, the given year is leap year. And if it is false, then I can check another condition. What is the condition? So divisible by 4. Here percentage 4 equals to 0. If it is divisible by 4, then you can check another condition, and here percentage 100 not equals to 0. So this is the condition we are going to check. So first, year percentage 400, if it is returns 0, then automatically you can decide that you determine that the given year is leap year. That's it. This is the program. In fourth step, I am going to print flag value. That's it.
Year equals to int of input. Next I am taking a flag. Flag equals to initially I am taking false. Next I can check that here percentage 400 equals to 0, or here percentage 4 equals to 0, and here percentage 100 not equals to 0. That's it. If it is, then I can initialize the flag equals to true. That's it. Print flag. Now I can run this program. Enter the year 2020. True. I run again. Let us give 1000. False. Run again. 1100 we try. 1100 returns false. That's it.